Don't laugh or smile while watching this video.
Pap smear and a mammogram. It's for me, Lucy McConkey. No, I'm Lucy McConkey.
I'm Lucifer McConkey. Heads up, everybody. Because of this morning's accident, we have
Double
to have
tap
a
the
critical
like,
incident
comment
strategy.
I can't
So,
stop
we're gonna
laughing.
Talk to a peer counselor. It's now SOP.
Oh, is that really necessary for this one, no, Chief?
Yeah, I'm the one who got hurt and I think it's hilarious.
Then all you need to do is talk to the counselor.
Well, who's the peer counselor? Some touchy-feely dude in a cardigan sweater. Guaranteed.
I'm Dr. Benjamin Nesmith, and I'm here to get you in touch with your emotions.
Guys, please one like and comment your city name.